Spring Break 2026. Trade the crowds for the coast in Crystal Beach, Texas on Bolivar Peninsula. With 27 miles of drivable beachfront, there's room to spread out, kick back, and soak up the sun. Live music fills the nights, fresh Gulf seafood fills the tables, and every day brings a new reason to smile. From sunrise beachfront walks to sunset memories with family and friends, this is where spring break feels right. Spring Break 2026, Crystal Beach, Texas. Come relax, reconnect, and live the coastal life. Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and today we're going to do a little different show. We always do a show for Jose's, and today we're going to talk about some things I have going on now and coming up for the next month or so. Welcome to Beach Bites with Jose's. Today we're diving into a flavorful world of Jose's Cajun Seafood and Steaks, a beloved family-owned gym right here in Crystal Beach, Texas. If you're craving true Mexican food with a Cajun twist, Jose's is where the magic happens. Owned and operated by a passionate local family, one I've known for over 30 years, this spot has served up mouth-watering seafood, Mexican food, juicy steaks, and unforgettable experiences for years. Whether you're on the beach, a beach bum, maybe a local or a visitor, a foodie, or just looking for the perfect meal, Jose's has something for everyone. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about visiting the beach, because that's where it all starts. What's better than a day of sun, sand, and surf topped off with a fantastic meal at Jose's? Crystal Beach is our slice of paradise, your slice of Bolivar Peninsula, with miles of pristine shorelines that you can drive on, perfect for shell hunting, fishing, or just kicking back with your toes in the sand. Imagine starting your beach adventure early, soaking up those rays, and then heading over to Jose's for a hearty lunch or dinner. Their menu features fresh Gulf catches like spicy Cajun shrimp boils, grilled redfish, and tender seasoned steaks to perfection, and you can't beat their Mexican platters and their lunch specials. Jose's isn't just a restaurant, it's your beachside. Well, it's located on Highway 87, but they make every visit to Crystal Beach more memorable. Now, speaking of a memorable time, let's turn up the romance. If you're planning a special night out, maybe because Mardi Gras and February 14th, Valentine's Day, all is on the same day, Jose's is your spot, with Jose's Wine and Romance Evening on February 19th, and it's calling your name. Picture this, soft romantic music filling the air, candlelit tables with a warm glow, and a 4-course chef-curated meal designed to sweep you off your feet. From 4-course meal to special desserts, it's a deal that will seal it for you and a loved one or that special friend. But wait, there's more. A guided wine tasting paired perfectly with each course, featuring selections from the renowned Uno Sueno vineyards. This expert-crafted wine will walk you through the notes, the crisp whites to bold reds, enhancing every bite. This isn't just a dinner, it's an intimate escape at Jose's. Seating is limited to keep it cozy and exclusive, so reservations are an absolute must. Call Jose's today. Don't miss out on this romantic night highlight. Now let's shift gears and talk fun. Shifting gears to some festive fun. Mardi Gras Parade weekend at Jose's is going to be epic. Kick off the celebration bright and early with breakfast starting in the morning, probably about 9 o'clock, paired with a delicious breakfast, tacos, and more. Think fresh favorite morning platters, tacos, and burritos to fuel your festivities. And here's the fun fact. Jose offers brunch every Saturday and Sunday starting at 10 a.m., so you can make it a weekend ritual. During Mardi Gras, the energy amps up with bands playing tunes, colorful decorations, and special menu items like boiled crawfish, and I love their seafood boiler platters. It's family friendly during the day and lively into the night, perfect for locals, visitors, or anyone wanting to come have fun. Come for the food, stay for the vibes. Whew, that was a long list. We've covered a lot, but that's the spirit of Jose's, always delivering more than you expect. It's a family-owned spot here in the heart of Crystal Beach, Texas, and tied to the community. They're all about creating moments that last, whether it's a beach day winding down, a romantic wine night, or Mardi Gras at Jose's Cajun Seafood and Steakhouse. It's your place to go. Head over to their Facebook page and check out their specials. Give them a call for the romantic weekend and come enjoy a renowned restaurant, family owned and operated for years. I tell you what, I've known Jose for over 30 years and I love their food. I love talking to him and his daughters, and it's always a great experience. Well, it's that time to wind down and head on out. I want to thank everyone for joining us and can't wait to see you, whether it's Mardi Gras parade, maybe at brunch on Saturday and Sunday mornings. And remember, they have their crawfish every Thursday evening and their oysters. It's that time of year. We're gearing up here in Crystal Beach, Texas for spring, summer, and fall on the upper Texas coast. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula in 2026. And if you can't make it down, make sure you check out our live webcams at BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com. Until next time, y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.